In this video, I will show you how to download PC Remote on your smart TV. This is very helpful. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel after watching. So if you want to download PC Remote to your smart TV, this is what you can do. We are going to use this application called Downloader, which is a helpful application that helps you get anything from across the internet. If you don't have Downloader on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link and guide that's going to help you get Downloader to your smart TV. After you get Downloader, just go ahead and launch it. So what Downloader does is that it helps you search for applications, APKs, or anything that you want across the internet and download to your smart TV. So in this case, we're going to be looking for PC Remote application to download to our smart TV. So PC Remote application is an application that helps you control your TV from your computer or your PC or your smartphone. So what you have to do is come to this key box and search for the keyword PC Remote. Once you write the right keyword, you just go ahead and click on Go. And then Downloader is going to show you where you can download the PC Remote application to your smart TV from the internet. And as you can see here are the various options. So you can use this one, you can use this one or any one. So we're going to go with this one. So once you come over here and click this option, it's going to show you where you can download the PC Remote application to your apps, to your smart TV. So it's very easy. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.